Charlie, the guy there for
circle, Odona, I can see the This is circle. You can see, this is circle. There's flood everywhere. Everywhere is flooded. And there's fire outbreak at the same time. The fire is extending very fast too. Hey, this is very dangerous.
It's Ghana. At the birakaze Sahara Park. It's raining. You can't drive here. See the cars. You can't drive here. Please, this is not about politics. We are not doing politics. God will come through for us, for the country, yeah. At the birakaze Sahara Park, Ghana.
Is there a gas station nearby?
A what?
A gas station, filling station, gas station.
Gas station? No. No, there's no gas station nearby.
Okay.
I think there's one, but it's across the road. It's a little bit far from here, from where the fire is burning.
But this is sad, you see, because where the fire is going, I can see like there are a lot of shelters this side than where it is coming from. You even see now the fire is increasing now. I know the time game on you. This is sad. Most of this I never said, and some of these things I said, I never said any of them. This is very sad.
Those who have just joined us, the rains went into one of the warehouses near Toyota Runabout and then swept out all the products.
So the locals are busy packing them and sending it home. This is Ghana, West Africa, this is Ghana, Accra.